Thank you very much for giving your precious time. Finally, the day has come. I'm getting out of this college. I'm happy and also I'm sad. First, let me tell you why I'm sad. I'm sad because after a couple of weeks, I'm going out of this college. And I'm happy because I was here for 5 years. You all are here for 4 years, and I'm here for 5 years, and I'm happy for that. Last year, when I got detained by BTU, one man has really helped me. Actually, he made me to discover myself and brought best in me. And that man is none other, our great HOD, which is Mr. Vijay. When I came to another, I got detained. I was very depressed. I felt like, felt very bad. When I met him, he was a real motivation for me. I went to him and spoke. He just said me one thing. God has given you one more opportunity to score well, and I'm sure you will do it, and you have that caliber. And the next time I wrote the exam, I got 74%, and believe me, that was my first FCD in my engineering career. Always used to think about, oh, it's okay if I get 60, 62, it's okay. But getting 74 in 7th semester, I give, he's responsible is our HOD. He has really made me to work hard. His words always been motivation for me. Right from the first year, he's very enthusiastic. He used to tell us, doesn't matter, even if you're a sweeper, sweep to its best. Thank you, sir. Actually changing me. I'm saying you are the one who actually changed me. When I just salute you for that, sir. No words. I'm speechless. I'm very small to speak about you. So, thank you very much, sir. And some of the facts I want to tell to all my juniors. Nobody can teach you mechanics of material, dynamics of machine, or any other subjects related to materials better than Raghavendra sir. We just love him for that, whatever he says, everything. And design 1, design 2. One man, Mr. Lokesh Shetty sir. No need of any book, anything, just notes are enough. And thanks for that. So some people say both are very strict, but I personally feel they are very strict when it comes to discipline. But personally, I feel they are wonderful human beings, and we are very great to have you, sir. We should be very proud of our department because we have 2 great personalities in our department, Professor Mohan and Professor Gajendra Gayash. We are very lucky to have you, sir. They worked with Dr. Abdul Kalam, and I didn't even see him, and they worked with Excel. It's a very big thing for us. So we are very lucky to have you, sir. And
so many people are giving speech.
Other lecturers, Minalojini ma'am, Aparna ma'am, Subramanian sir. Subramanian sir, you're just too good HP or any FM, you teach well. Actually, we like your style, whatever you do. All are very happy with you. And how can I forget lab instructors? They are supporting from backside. Actually, they are not into picture, but they are supporting from backside. One man, Premanand sir, he knows everything. Software, he's just excellent in that. And coming to a project, in future, whenever I hear biodiesel, I'll definitely remember Mrityunjay sir. him whenever we used to get stuck in project. Every time 9:30, 10, 11 used to call him, and he used to help us a lot. Thanks for helping in our project, sir. Coming back to my dear friends, actually I was with the last batch as well as this batch, and I want to say you that you guys are the best batch in VIT. Best batch I ever seen, and I'm very happy to be part of that. Moreover, I want to end my speech saying one thing. If God asks me, do you want to be engineer again? I would say yes. Do you want to study Vemna Institute of Technology? I would say yes. And I would say I want to be a mechanical engineer in this same department under same HOD and under same lecturers. Mechanical wrong.